If you have kids and a Wii, chances are you have a scratched Wii game. As is the case with this one here. There's fingerprints and scratches on it. Now the fingerprints are easy to clean off, but the scratches, if it gets scratched, then it can stop working. So here's how you fix it. Relatively easy, and I've had a lot of success with this. This stuff is called Scratch Away. It's actually for cars, taking car paint scratches off. It actually doesn't work all that well on cars, at least in my experience. But in disc repairs, DVDs, video games, all that stuff, it works really well. So what you want to do, you don't need much at all. Just put a little drop on and rub it on. Just like that, and then let it sit for 30 seconds. Okay, after 30 seconds, what you want to do now is take a clean, soft cloth and just buff it out in circular motions. It says to go from multiple angles, but to do it in a circular pattern. And once the cloth gets too much of the stuff on it, just move to a cleaner part of the cloth. Now, it doesn't take out all the scratches. If you have deep scratches, then you're going to need a really expensive machine to fix it. But this has done the trick for any kind of scratch that I couldn't. You know, if you can run your finger and feel a groove, then it's probably too deep. But for any of the light ones, this does an excellent job. So hopefully that helps. If it did, please like the video, and if you have any questions or comments or your own solutions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.